In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website using the Gamma app. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure your site goes live without a hitch. To begin, make sure you're logged into the Gamma app. If you're not already there, simply head over to the Gamma website and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll want to navigate to the Gammas section. Think of this as your central hub, where you can access all your projects and drafts in one convenient place. Next, locate the project you wish to publish. This should be straightforward, especially if you have named your projects appropriately. Click on it to open up the project in question. Here you'll see an overview of your project's details and settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see 3 dots. Clicking on this menu icon will bring up additional options related to your project. It might seem like a small thing, but these 3 dots hold the key to unlocking the publishing process for your website. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, look for the option that says Publish to Site and select it. This is the step where we transition from the creation phase to the publishing phase. It's important to ensure that your website is ready to be seen by the world at this point. Following that, you will see an option to Convert to Site. Clicking this will prepare your project for publishing by converting it into a format that can be hosted online. Take a moment to review everything one last time before proceeding, as this is when final changes can still be made. Now, with everything set up and ready, you're going to hit Publish. This is the quintessential step, marking the launch of your site into the digital realm. The Gamma app will handle the technical details of getting your website live on the internet for you. Once published, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. To do this, click on the Domains section to check the URL of your newly published website. Here you can confirm that your site is live and accessible via its web address. Finally, click on the website that appears to view it in real time. Keep in mind that there might be a slight delay, sometimes up to a minute before you can see your site as it propagates across the web. So if it doesn't show up immediately, don't worry, just give it a moment. And there you have it, your website is now published and live, ready for the world to see. By following these steps, you should have a smooth experience putting your project online with the Gamma app. Enjoy sharing your work with others, and happy web publishing.